Dear students, this class 9th math 9th, and we have been discussing this lines and angles from last 1 week. Now the last exercise of this chapter, but before that let us recap the previous lesson. In our previous lesson we discussed that how the sum of angles of a triangle, very important question, sum of angles of a triangle is equivalent to 180 degree. This we proved in our last class. Let me recapitulate this for those students who have missed out last class. Let ABC is a triangle, and this is angle 1, this is angle 2, and this is angle 3. If ABC is a triangle, this is given that ABC is a triangle, and we have to prove that the sum of angles of this triangle is equal to 180. That is, we have to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So construction, what we did is, through A we draw a line segment parallel to BC. So this is PQ. Through A, this point A, we draw PQ parallel to this BC. Now let this be angle 4 and this is angle 5. Now proof is, now PQ is a line. PQ is a line segment. BA and CA stands on it. BA and CA stands on it. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. This is a line segment like this. This is a line segment, and this line stands on it. Therefore, this angle plus this angle plus this angle, the sum of all these angles is equal to 180. This we know. Now, name this equation first. Angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5, or angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. Name this equation number first. Now, since PQ is parallel to BC, this is like this. These two lines are parallel, and this is PQ, and this is BC. These two lines are parallel, and we know. And this is a line, a transversal. This acts as a transversal. AB is a transversal. Therefore, this angle is equivalent. This angle is 2, and this is 4. And you know, when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, angle 4 is equivalent to angle 2. Similarly, PQ is parallel to BC, and this time AC is the transversal. Angle 3 is equivalent to angle 5. Angle 5 is equivalent to angle 3, and these are alternate angles. Now, putting the value back in equation first, for angle 4 is equal to now angle 2, and angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So here, angle 1 plus angle 4. So instead of angle 4, we write here angle 2, and instead of angle 5, we write here angle 3. This is equal to 180. Though angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180, or sum of angles of a triangle is equivalent to 180. This we proved in our last class. So sum of angles of a triangle, this is very simple. You can practice it at your places. Then one more thing we proved, that if ABC is a triangle, and this side BC is produced to D, obviously an external angle is formed here, and we were asked to find whether this external angle, this is angle 1, this angle 2, this angle 3, and this external angle is angle 4, and external angle is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. The external angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Now we have already proved that this also. Let us recap this also. We know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Now see, BD is a line, and AC stands on it, AC stands on it, and this is a linear plane. Angle 3 plus angle 4, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equivalent to 180. This is equation number second. Now see once more. Angle 2 plus angle ABC is a triangle, therefore the sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Also angle this BD is a line and AC stands on it. Therefore angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. This is linear pair, you know it. So angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. Now when we compare these two equations, now see the right hand side here is 180, here it is also 180. When right hand sides are equal, left hand sides are also equal. Therefore this left hand side is equal to this left hand side. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 3 cancels. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So external angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. This we have already discussed. So these two questions are very important, on which the whole exercise depends. That is angles of property of a triangle, and this external angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So these two things are very important before we go to the exercise. Now exercise is 6.3, question number 1. 6.3, question number 1, it is like this. Now QP and RQ of a triangle PQR. Now PQR is a triangle. This is P, this is Q, and this is R. PQR is a triangle. Now this side QR is produced up to T. Obviously an external angle is here formed 110 degree. And this is also produced. This is 135. This is produced to S. Now we have to find that. Let's write here. Angle, this is given, angle SPR is equivalent to 135 degree, and angle PQT is equivalent to 110 degree. This is given. This is given. Now we have to find the measure of angle PRQ. This angle PRQ. This is our requirement. This is to be determined. This PRQ is to be determined. Now see this solution. TR is a line. TR is a line. This TR is a line, and PQ or SQ stands on it. Obviously it is a linear pair. Therefore this angle plus this angle is equal to 180. Therefore angle PQT plus angle PQR is equal to 180, linear pair. Now PQT, you know, this is 110 plus angle PQR is equal to 180. What is angle PQR? This is 180 minus 110. Angle PQR is equal to 70 degrees. So this angle is 70 degrees. Now we find this angle. PQR is a triangle. Now one angle we have find. This is 180. Now again this SQ is a line. SQ is a line. SQ is a line. And RP stands on it. RP stands on it. Stands on it. Therefore this angle plus this angle, again a linear pair. This is also equivalent to 180. Therefore angle SPR plus angle RPQ is equivalent to 180. Again this is linear pair. Angle SPR is 135 plus angle RPQ is equal to 180. Angle RPQ is equal to 180 minus 135. Angle RPQ is equal to 45 degree. So this is 45. Now two angles of this triangle we have found, angle this angle and this angle. Now this is very simple. By the angle sum property we know sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180, and we know two angles, a third angle is obviously. So PQR is a triangle, therefore by angle sum property, therefore angle RPQ, this angle RPQ plus this angle PQR, angle PQR plus angle PRQ is equivalent to 180 by the angle sum property of a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180, you know it. This RPQ is 45 degree plus PQR, this is 70 degree, plus angle PRQ, this is to be determined 180, this is 115, plus angle PRQ is equal to 180, angle PRQ is equal to 180 minus 115. So therefore angle PRQ is equivalent. So angle PRQ is equivalent. It is obviously the 65 degree is angle PRQ. This is 65. So this was our requirement. That's how it goes. We know sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Again, let me repeat this. This angle was given, this was 110. Now this TR is a line and SQ stands on it. Therefore, this angle plus this angle is equal to 180. This was 110. Obviously, this is 70. Similarly, this SQ is a line, RP stands on it. This plus this is equal to 180. But this was 135. This obviously 45. Now PQR is a triangle. This angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 by angle sum property. And this is 45. This is 70 plus angle this PRQ. This is to be determined. PRQ is equal to 180. This 115 plus PRQ is equal to 180. PRQ is equal to 180 minus 115, and PRQ is equal to 65. So this was question number 1 of exercise. Now proceeding further. Question number 2. Question number 2 reads, in figure angle X is equal to 62 degree and angle XYZ is equal to 54. YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and XZY respectively. Find angle OZY, YOZ. Now see, this is a triangle. This is X and this is Y and this is Z. Now this angle X is equivalent to 62 degree. By angle sum property, you know angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180. And the bisectors of this angle, this is here is it is the bisector, and the bisector of this angle, they meet each other at this point, this O. Now one thing is given here, angle XYZ is equivalent to angle XYZ, this whole angle is equivalent to 54 degree. So before this whole angle is 54 degree. Now what is angle XZY? Now in triangle XYZ, angle X plus angle Y, XYZ plus angle XZY is equal to 180. Now this is 62, angle X 62 degree plus this is 54, this is 54 degree plus angle XZY is equal to 180. We know that sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Now this angle plus this angle plus this, obviously is equal to 180. This is 62 and this is 54. This is to be determined. Here we go. This is 116 plus angle XZY is equal to 180. Angle XZY is equal to 180 minus 116. So angle XZY is equivalent. This is 4. This is 6, 7, 64 degree. 64 degree. Now the bisectors of this angle and this angle intersect each other at point O. Now the whole angle was what? 54. This whole angle XYZ was 54. This whole angle came equal to 64. Now 54, what is the measure of this angle? This small OYZ. Angle OYZ is equal to 1 by 2 of angle XYZ, because bisector means this bisects the angle into two equal parts. So this part is equivalent to this part. Okay. So this part is equal to 1 by 2 of whole angle. So 1 by 2 of XYZ. So angle OYZ is equal to 1 by 2 of 54. 2 2s are 2. So OYZ is equal to 27 degree. So this smaller angle is 27 degree. Now similarly, this OZY, angle OZY is equal to 1 by 2 of angle XZY. Now angle OZY is equal to 1 by 2 of XZY is 64 into 64. 2 3s are, so angle OZY is equal to 32 degree. So this is 32 degree. Now again OYZ is a triangle. Now this angle is to be determined. ये एंगल हमें चाहिए, एंगल YOZ और ZOY, ये एंगल हमें चाहिए. ये किसके बाद YOZ. Now YOZ is a triangle. YOZ is a triangle, and we know the sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Therefore, angle YOZ plus angle OYZ plus angle OZY is equal to 180. So angle YOZ plus OYZ, this is 27. This is 27 degree plus OZY, this is 32. 32 degree is equal to 180. So angle YOZ plus this is 59 degree is equal to 180. Angle YOZ is equal to 180 minus 59 degree. So angle YOZ is equal to this one 121 degree. 121 degree is the angle of, is the measure of this. 121 degree is the measure of this angle. This is how it goes. This was question number 2. Inshallah, tomorrow we shall proceed further in this exercise before we take up this triangles. But once more, I urge all students to connect with these online classes so that we can just complete the prescribed syllabus. Thank you.